call you to get a number? You can go get some food and come back.
Oh, let's see what number you are. D58. They're on D23.
You want to go find something to eat and come back?
I guess.
Get over with. Tomorrow we can go to the thing.
Well, I just want a drink, maybe like a coffee.
Are you hungry or you want to drink? A little hungry? You want to go to the coffee club?
I do.
No. No, 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 no.
Coffee club is good. What happened?
They don't have good stuff.
Oh, Dad doesn't want to. They don't have good what games?
No. Good claw machines. I'm here for the claw machine.
A claw machine. Look at all those games. I would play that dance game, but this is the one where you push the buttons. I want to do the real dance. So we're going back to immigration. That's where those people are sitting and waiting. We are here because it's probably a little easier and a little smaller than Bangkok. So we'll see. They copied our passport for us, so you don't have to bring your own copy. Tony brought color copies, and they didn't want that. She just wants the regular black and white copies, so she made it for us. Yay! And we're still waiting. They're on D what? 41. No, we are D56. We're D56, 57, and D58. Okay, we're done. It took about 2 hours.
But we was able to walk the mall.
Yeah, we walked around the mall. We got coffee. We went to look at the eyeglass shop. And then we came back, and very easy, very nice. They have a nice little sitting area outside thing. And they were very nice. So, we'll recommend.
Crown, that's a jam.